Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify with Amazon step by step clearly. To connect Shopify with Amazon, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Amazon by Shopify app. Click on the app to view its details. Select the Add App button. Confirm the installation by clicking Install App. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the apps page. Click the Connect Account button. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. If prompted, allow permissions for Shopify to access your Amazon account. After granting permissions, return to the Shopify app. Select the Amazon Marketplace you wish to connect to. Follow the setup prompts to configure your product listings. Choose the products you want to sell on Amazon from your Shopify store. Set the prices and inventory levels for these products. Adjust any other settings as needed for your Amazon listings. Click Publish to list the selected products on Amazon. Monitor the status of your listings to ensure they are active. Check for any errors or notifications within the Shopify app. Once everything is set up, you can manage orders through Shopify. Make sure to regularly update inventory in both platforms. This process helps streamline your sales across both Shopify and Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.